Fasten your seatbelts for an exploration into the universe's greatest mysteries. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong, Buzz Lightyear, Lance Armstrong, Yuri Gagarin. Neil Armstrong. Which planet is known as the morning star? Mars, Venus, the Death Star, Mercury. It's Venus. What is the main purpose of the Hubble Space Telescope? To find where we left our keys, to observe distant galaxies and nebula, to spy on other countries, to light up the night sky. To observe distant galaxies and nebula. Since its launch in 1990, Hubble has made more than 1.3 million observations, revolutionizing our understanding of the universe. What does NASA stand for? Need another 7 astronauts, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, not another science assignment, National Association of Space Adventurers, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Which of these objects is the largest? The Moon, the Sun, the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs, Pluto. It's the Sun. The Sun's diameter is about 109 times that of Earth, making it by far the largest object in our solar system. Who is considered the father of modern rocketry? Isaac Newton, Elon Musk, Robert H. Goddard, Daniel Ricciardo. It's Robert H. Goddard. What was the name of the first dog in space? Rover, Laika, Snoopy, or Lassie? It was Laika. What is the great red spot on Jupiter? We don't really know. A great vacation spot, a vast desert, a giant storm. It's a giant storm. Which of these movies was inspired by actual events in space history? Star Wars, Apollo 13, Guardians of the Galaxy, The Martian Invasion. Apollo 13. What is a light year? The time it takes for light to turn on, how far light travels in 1 year, the length of 1 year on the planet Titan, a measure of brightness over time. It's a unit of distance, measuring how far light travels in 1 year. Which celestial body is known as the Red Planet? Mars, Russia, Venus, or Saturn? It's Mars. The term astronaut comes from the Greek word meaning what? Star sailor, moonwalker, space cowboy, galaxy gardener. Star sailor. What is the primary goal of the International Space Station? International space competitions, conduct scientific research, space tourism, filming space movies. It's conducting scientific research. Which spacecraft delivered the first humans to the moon? Starship Enterprise, Apollo 11, Millennium Falcon, Apollo 13. It's Apollo 11. What does the Mars rover Curiosity explore? Alien civilization, signs of past water and microbial life, the dark side of Mars, real estate opportunities. Signs of water and microbial life. Curiosity, which landed on Mars in 2012, has found evidence of ancient rivers and lakes on Mars. Which planet in our solar system has the most extensive ring system? Uranus, Neptune, Saturn, or Venus? It's Saturn. What kind of object is Halley's Comet? An asteroid, a dwarf planet, a big metal blimp, a comet? It's of course a comet. Which spacecraft is famously known for taking the first close-up photos of Pluto? Voyager 1, New Horizons, Galileo, Pluto Paparazzi Probe. New Horizons. What is the primary component of the Sun? Liquid lava, hydrogen and helium, rock, cosmic dust. Hydrogen and helium. Who was the first American woman in space? Mae Jemison, Sally Ride, Amelia Earhart, or Wonder Woman? It was Sally Ride. What is the Oort cloud believed to be? A weather system on Jupiter, a source of most long-period comets, a nebula within the Milky Way, a cloud surface for interstellar data storage. The source for most long-period comets. What phenomenon allows black holes to be detected? Their loud noise, the light from objects being pulled into them, their smell, the rainbows they emit. It's the light from objects being pulled into them. What is the speed called needed to break free from the planet's gravitational pull? Hyperloop speed, ludicrous speed, speed of love, escape velocity. It's escape velocity. Which moon in our solar system has the most evidence of having a subsurface ocean? Europa, Titan, the Moon, Aquarius. It's Jupiter's moon, Europa. What are asteroids primarily made of? Cheese, other planets, ice and snow, rock and metal. Rock and metal. What are the boundaries called around a black hole from which nothing can escape? The event horizon, the point of no return, the final frontier, the do not cross line. It's the event horizon. Which of the following is not a method for detecting exoplanets? Transits and eclipses, direct imaging, Doppler spectroscopy, space telepathy. It's space telepathy. Various methods like transits, direct imaging, and Doppler spectroscopy have successfully detected thousands of exoplanets. What was the primary purpose for the Apollo missions? To find a new home for humanity, to explore the moon, to compete in the space race, to capture alien technology. To explore the moon. What does terraforming mean? Decorating your home with plants, transforming the Earth's environment, making another planet or moon habitable for Earth life, landscaping the universe. It's making it habitable for Earth life. Which of these space agencies is not real? NASA, ESA, SpaceX, Galactic Wildlife Conservation. It's Galactic Wildlife Conservation. What is the main goal of the Kepler Space Telescope? To photograph the Earth from space, to study the Sun, to discover Earth-like planets, to find the best space coffee. It's to discover Earth-like planets. What was the first manned mission to land on the Moon? Apollo 13, Apollo 11, Columbus mission, Lunar Lollipop expedition. It was Apollo 11. Which gas giant in our solar system does not have rings? Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune? None, they all have invisible floating hats. It's none, they all have invisible floating hats. While Saturn's rings are the most famous, Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune also have ring systems, though much less visible. What's Uranus' unique feature? It rains diamonds, it has 27 oval-shaped moons, it rotates on its side, it's the planet voted most likely to moon its neighbors. It rotates on its side. Which mission first successfully landed a rover on Mars? Mars Pathfinder, Curiosity, Viking 1, 30 Seconds to Mars. It was Mars Pathfinder. The Mars Pathfinder mission, touching down on the Martian surface on July 4th, 1997, marked humanity's first mobile exploration of another planet. This mission was a technological trial that far exceeded expectations, proving new landing technologies for future missions and sending back a wealth of data about Mars' atmosphere, climate, geology, and effectively laying the groundwork for the Mars rovers that followed. Thank you for traveling with us through the stars and beyond. If you enjoyed this space odyssey, hit like, subscribe and ring that bell for more adventures. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.